Hello guys, this is boy Muhammad from How to PC. Today I walk you through how to check your computer space. This step is very easy. We have two space. This step you go to share field and type system information. You see the first one. Click on it. You need to click on system summary. You will see all the version or other also description. You will scroll until you see so totally this memory. I have 16 memory gigabyte. Now we're looking for disk. You will look here. You found the disk space of the disk, and the next step you go to. You click on the Windows icon and right click. Go to click in the shares field, disk, storage and setting. You will see we have 220 gigabytes SSD. And this video for today hope helpful for you. And don't forget to subscribe my channel to see new stuff, and see you next time guys. Bye bye.